welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, then welcome. My name is Rachel and I am a disruptor in the accounting industry. I'm disrupting what it means to be an accountant, what it feels like to have an accountant, and what being the founder of a rapidly scaling accountancy practice looks like behind the scenes. I create long and short form content across YouTube, TikTok and Instagram, and so I would absolutely love to see you where you consume content where I share daily behind the scenes content of what it's like to scale a business in your 20s. You can use the links in the description to this video to find me everywhere that you consume content. In today's video, I'm going to be talking all about the ACA exam levels, and I'm going to be explaining each level thoroughly. So we're going to run through the 3 levels within the ACA qualification, the exams which are at each level, how they differ, timings and more. So first, let's kick off with a bit of an introduction to the ACA. So the ACA qualification is a very well recognised qualification, and upon completion you will be able to call yourself a chartered accountant. This qualification is designed by the Institute of Chartered Accountants in England and Wales, otherwise referred to as the icaew, which is the largest body of qualified accountants. Gaining the ACA qualification can open doors to working as a finance director, practice partner, or even a CEO. The ACA qualification has 15 modules in total, which are split across 3 levels. And so these levels are called the certificate level, the professional level, and the advanced level. The certificate level is the first level of the ACA qualification, and the exams at this level cover the basic accounting and business principles, which will underpin the rest of your ACA exams. The certificate levels can be completed within 12 months. There are 6 exams at certificate level, including accounting, law, and principles of tax, to name a couple. The exams are multiple choice and computer-based assessments, which can be sat at local exam centres. Each exam is no longer than an hour and a half, and all 6 exams can be sat in any order you like. Very often, your employer or tuition provider will outline the order that they think is best for you to sit the exams based on their experience. What's really interesting about this certificate level of the ACA is that it also makes up an independent qualification called the icaew Certificate in Finance, Accounting and Bookkeeping, or CFAB. This can be completed completely independently of the ACA, and so you are able to just complete the first 6 exams rather than all of the 15. Completing the certificate level only will mean that you are not a chartered accountant though. Once you've completed the certificate level, you will then receive your icaew CFAB qualification certificate, and you can then choose at this stage to carry on and complete the ACA. That then takes us very nicely onto the second stage, which is the professional level. Again, there are 6 exams at the professional level, and the syllabus of the professional level concentrates on allowing a candidate to demonstrate their theoretical knowledge and apply their understanding to real-life situations. There is a 3-hour exam for each topic at this level, and the exams require numerical skills and essay writing skills to prepare longer form answers as opposed to multiple choice that we saw in the first level. These exams are available to sit every March, June, September and December. To give you a taste of the professional level exams, one which you'll need to sit is Audit and Assurance. This module requires you to demonstrate your ability to plan and manage engagements and your understanding of ethics requirements and other professional regulations. On the opposite end of the spectrum, you'll also need to sit a Financial Management exam, which is all about financing options, managing financial risk and investment decisions. Business strategy and technology, as a further example, delves into topics such as strategic analysis, strategic choice, and the implementation of wider strategy. A vast amount of content covering a wide variety of topics, as you can tell. One of the more unique modules at the professional level in ACA is called Business Planning, where students have a choice when it comes to this model, where they can either study the banking, insurance, or taxation level. You'll normally be given guidance from your employer or tuition provider on which of the 3 you should study towards. So, with the certificate and the professional level out of the way, the advanced level comes next. This level is the final level, and so the final hurdle before becoming a fully qualified chartered accountant. All 3 exams at the advanced level are designed to replicate typical real-life situations that a qualified accountant might find themselves in. This means they require you to provide accurate, credible, and commercially relevant advice. The advanced level exams are fully open book, replicating a real life scenario where all of the resources are at your fingertips. And the exams are only available to sit in July and November. So make sure you do not miss your booking slot when the time comes. Most of the technical content for the 3 advanced level exams is deemed to be prior knowledge. So this is going to be knowledge that you've acquired through completing the professional and certificate level exams. Although there is some new content that you'll be specifically taught for these exams, which again adds further levels of complexity to this prior knowledge which is assumed. The first 2 exams at this level are corporate reporting and strategic business management exams, which test your understanding and strategic decision making at a senior level. They also present real life scenarios with greater complexity and wider implications than the professional level exams. The case study must be sat as your final exam in the ACA studies, and this exam tests the professional skills in the context of a specific business issue and requires you to demonstrate the knowledge and skills that you've acquired across all of your exams so far, and the ability to analyse information and develop conclusions. The case study exam is a whopping 4 hours long and will require you to prepare 3 requirements and an executive summary in a report format. And once that case study exam is passed, you are exam free. So ACA, as you can tell, is by no means a small task. There is a lot of content wrapped up in the ACA exams and a lot of professional skills that you need to be able to demonstrate. With time, dedication and support, the qualification is there for you to go and achieve. And that is a wrap. Today we have covered each level of the ACA qualification, which will have answered all of your questions about the ACA exam levels explained. Please do let me know in the comment section of this video what you found the most helpful. Thank you so much for spending some time with me today, and I hope to see you again very soon.